So index is a tree-like structure. We can use tree-like structure as index as well. For example, a binary search index, a search tree can be used for the index if we want to find out the particular record from the binary search tree. We have the added advantage of binary search procedure that makes search to perform even faster. A binary tree can be considered as a two-way search tree because we have two child, maximum two child will be there for each binary tree, right? Two child is possible because it has two pointers in each of its node. So this is one, this is two. Thereby it can be guided you to two distinct way. Remember that for every node storing two pointer, the number of value in to be stored in each node is one less than the number of pointer. That is, each node would contain one value each. So here you can see the binary tree is like that. Is saying that why not convert the index into the tree? It is possible to convert index into the tree. If you see this example, this is the example of m-way search tree. Binary tree is two-way. If I'll say m-way means I have m number of children. So you can see that let's say I want to search. Here the above mentioned concept can be further expanded in the notation m-way search tree where m represent the number of pointer in the particular node. If m equal to 3, then each node of the search tree contain 3 pointer and each node would be 2 value. So we have 3 pointer and 2 value. Sample m-way search tree will be like this. So we have 2.2 value. So this is value 100 and this is 200. So let's say I am searching for some value, which is, let's say 23 I am searching. So what I'll do is I'll see the root node. Root node is taking me 200. Left hand side of the 100 will be all less than 100 and right hand side of the 100 will be all greater than 100. So I'll go to the left hand side part. Left hand side is taking to me 55. Sorry, this particular node. In this particular node, if I am looking for 23, I look for 40. And then 40, I'll go to the left part of the 40 because left one will taking me to the less than the value. Okay. So it will be like that only. So searching will be in that way only. The cross will telling us that there is no pointer. This is a null pointer. Okay. Now this m-way tree is B plus tree that we can use. M-way tree here, m-way search tree here is a B plus tree. What is the disadvantage of index sequence file if we are searching in a sequence way? So performance degrades as file grows since many overflow blocks get created. Periodic reorganization of entire file is required. So if you are using the indexing in the file type of a structure, so the search is a sequence, is a linear search, and we know that the linear search is how much time it is taking. It is taking log n, sorry, order of n, right? But if we'll make it as a binary search, so it will take order of log n and it is less than this n, so the searching time is also get reduced. So that's why we are taking binary tree type of structure. That is, binary tree is two-way search tree, but we are taking m-way search tree. It is a binary, but it is not a binary. It is m may be anything. So it is taken as a B plus tree. B is not for the binary. B is here. The B is, you can say, the balanced version of, is not, B does not signifies binary. B signifies balance. What is the advantage of B plus tree index file? Automatically recognize itself with small local changes in the face of the insertion and deletion. Reorganize of entire file is not required to maintain performance. What is the disadvantage? Is very minor. Extra insertion and deletion overhead and space overhead is required. What is the advantage of B plus tree? Overweight disadvantage. So B plus tree are used extensively and very frequently in the database management system. So typically any node into the tree is look like this. We have the pointer and we have the key. So the key value has, one key value has two pointer, left pointer and right pointer. Left pointer means this key value, the less than the value you will get here. The right side, the more than the value you will get here. Ki is the search key value. Pi is the pointer to the children for non-leaf node, or pointer to record or bucket of record for leaf node. You will get the pointer in the leaf node, non-leaf node, and you will get the record into the leaf node. Means at the very bottom of the tree, these are the actual record that you will get. But in between, you will get key and the pointer. Okay. Let's see the B tree so that you can understand. There's a pointer called parallel. The left hand side is taking the is in a short form, as you can see. Bridgetown, Downtown, Maniac, Parridge, Redwood, and Round Hill. So here the branch name wise all are arranged. Here in the last you will get all the record, but in the non-leaf node you will find out as a key and a pointer. Okay. What is the property of the B plus tree? All paths from root to leaf are at the same length. So as you can see, it is the same length. Root to leaf. What is the length? This is 2 hope. This is also 2. This is also 2. This is also 2. Each node that is not a root or leaf has n by 2 and n children. Between n by 2 and n children. So n is nothing but your, which type of array we are talking about. So here it is 1 and 2 key and 3 pointers. So here it will be way three-way tree. So here we have n equal to 3. So it says that if it's non-root node, it will be in between 3 by 2. So the 3 by 2 is how much? Is 1 point something. So we'll take it as a 2 to n means 3. So there may be the 3 pointer or 2 pointer. It will vary from the leaf node will have either 2 or, okay, there is a n minus 1. It is, we are taking it n as 3, so it will be 2. So only 2 key value is there, or two children are there. It is not more than 2 children are there. Special case, if a root is not a leaf, it has at least 2 children. If a root is a leaf, means there is only one node. There is no other node in the tree. It has in between 0 to n minus 1 value. Now leaf node in the B plus tree, how it look like? It look like this. So we have a leaf node and it is pointing to the pointers. Is a non-leaf node. Here we have the pair of key and the value pair. This is an example of the B plus tree. As you can see at very last bottom, we have all the records. And you can see here we have the pointer value. These are all pointer value. These are all pointer value. Okay. Leaf node must have in between 2 to 4 value. If this is the case, leaf node, non-leaf node other than the root must have 3 to 5 children. Just like that. If we have these type of scenarios where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pointer is 5. This is all about your B plus tree and the index.